Yeah, good morning, guys. So, in the last lecture, we completed exemptions properly. Let us start a new chapter called Value of Supply, that is covered under section 15 of CGST Act 2017. पहले एक बात समझो. I'll explain you the entire GST in logical steps. Be careful. First step is find out whether it's a supply. बोलतो it should fall under section 7, either 71A, 71B, 71C. 71A and 71B speaks about consideration, 71C speaks about without consideration schedule 1. Answer can be yes, it falls. Answer yes, it does not fall. It does not fall, it is not a supply. If it is not supply, no GST, no second thought about it. If it is not a supply, no GST. If it is a supply, next we find out what is the value of supply. We find the value of supply, and how to find. Section 15 gives me the answer. Section 15 gives me the answer. Why we require value of supply? Because GST formula is value of supply into GST rate. In my, from starting till I come till today, I am only covering 100 plus 18. 100 will be called value of supply, 18 is the GST rate, 118% gives you GST. So now GST rates are again two types. One is called normal rates, 18% example. One is called composite rates. Composite bolte if you avail for component scheme, you have separate rates, 1%, 1%, 5%, 6% concepts. But normal rate will be given in the problem, you don't worry about it. This will be given in the problem. So now we'll understand how to calculate the value of supply. बोलतो on what value of supply बोलतो on what value GST will be calculated. On what value GST will be calculated, that is called value of supply. एक example देता हूँ मैं पहले, then we'll start the chapter in depth and we'll cover all the problems. I'll complete the chapter in this lecture only. Copy this as a background of the chapter, value of supply. Please start copying. बराबर चल नहीं रहा यार पेन. Please start copying. Please start copying. Done? Shall we continue, guys? Shall we continue? Now please understand one example, then we'll start the chapter. Sir, I am a customer. Okay. I went to buy a TV from Bajaj Electronics. I went to buy TV from Bajaj Electronics. One second. From Bajaj Electronics. Okay. He will give bill to me. Issue invoice. Issue what? Invoice. यहाँ तक क्लियर. अब बिल में ऐसा है, टीवी प्राइस 35,000. TV price 35,000. I also told him I want a special speakers for the TV which are not included in this. So he added add accessories 3,000. He said warranty of TV is 2 years, but if you pay 1,000 rupees you will get warranty up to 10 years. I said I'm ready to pay 1,000. So he added extended warranty 1,000. He said Bajaj Electronics is in, assume, SR Nagar. My home is in Himayat Nagar. I requested him to please send it to my home. He said okay, but we will also add transportation 2,000. We'll also add transportation 2,000. I also requested him to please, I don't know how to install, how to set up the TV. He said our technician will come, but we will add installation charges 4,000. Total करे 38, 39, 45,000 plus GST at the rate of 18%, that is SGST will come at 9%, CGST will also come at 9%. But the question is, on what value? Should I calculate on 35 or 35 plus 3 or 35 plus 1, 35 plus 2, 35 plus 4, or this is A, B, C, D, E? On which value I should calculate at 18%? This chapter will help me to understand that. पहले समझो पढ़ना क्या है. पढ़ना ये है, you have to find out VOS, value of supply. कि बोलते if you get value of supply, उसके बाद on that you will add the GST. So I do not know, 45,000 is bill amount, but what is value of supply? I don't know. Should I add GST on which value? That value of supply section 15 में it is covered. Clear. I'll not do the example right now. Let me complete the provisions, then we'll come back to this example and I'll tell you once we know the provisions how to calculate value of supply. Story clear? Don't copy this. I will come back to this example very soon. Now listen. You'll find one heading called value of supply. Please check. That is page number 61, I guess. Page number 61. You'll find heading in your printed or Xerox you have done for PDF file for the class notes. Concept of value of supply. Every attempt 8 marks he will ask. Minimum 6 to 8 marks. Every attempt पूछता सा. Doubt टीच नहीं है उसमें. हर attempt में question आता on value of supply. Be careful with this topic. GST is payable on ad valorem basis. That is percentage on value of goods or services or both. That's why I'm telling you. Formula of GST is very simple. GST formula is value of supply into the GST rate. So to calculate the GST value, we have to first find out the value of supply. Section 15 of CGST Act speaks about value of supply, that is on what value GST will apply. On what value GST will apply, we have to cover that. Now listen. Section 15 में we have three categories: 15.1, 15.2 and 15.3. Three subsections: 15.1, 15.2, 15.3. Be careful. 15.1, 15.2, 15.3. 15.1 speaks about transaction value. 15.1 speaks about transaction value. 15.2 speaks about inclusions. And 15.3 speaks about exclusions. This is थोड़ा confusing chapter sir. I'll tell you the rule what you have to follow. पहले provision समझ लेंगे. 15.1 is called speaks about transaction value. 15.2 inclusions. 15.3 exclusions. 15.1 speaks about whatever is charged by supplier to recipient in the bill, we will call that value as transaction value. You go to restaurant, you order food, one paneer butter masala, two butter naan, one manchuria, three fried rice. Whatever he charges the rates for each food item, that is called transaction value. You go to supermarket, you buy a Maggi of 40 rupees. Whatever he is charging in the bill for Maggi, that 40 rupees is called transaction value. You buy a Cadbury of 10 rupees, the 10 rupees what he is charging in the bill, if he gives the bill in the supermarket, that is called transaction value. Only two things, provided they are not related parties. You are doing a audit of a client, you gave the bill to the client for the audit. Whatever you charge in the fees, in the bill for the fees, that fees will be called transaction value, provided you and your client are not related parties. Because government knows if for example, if my brother-in-law is coming to my coaching class, how much should I charge? I will not think I should pay to him because he is coming to my classes. So government also know if they are related, consideration manipulation can take place. So what if they are related? If they are related, who are related? Supplier and recipient. Those scenario you have in CA final under GST rules, valuation rules. If they are related, that is covered in CA final under GST rules. But here we are talking about if they are not related and price is the sole consideration for the transaction. The price is the sole consideration for the transaction. That is called 15.1 transaction value. Transaction value. Whatever the supplier is charging in the bill to us, that amount is called transaction value, provided the supplier and customer are not related and price is a sole consideration. Copy this somewhere. Chalo. Please start copying. Please start copying. Okay? Now listen. Now comes the most important section, section 15, subsection 2. Inclusions to transaction value means what all should be added. Exclusions बोलतो what all should not be considered or excluded. 15.2 speaks about what all should be added to the transaction value. 15.3 speaks about what all should not be considered or excluded from transaction value. Okay, now listen. I'll directly read from the material, your notes. This becomes easy because it's given a very beautiful way. Listen, we have to come to the chart called section 15, value of supply for goods and services. I told you 15 are 3 types, 15.1, 15.2, 15.3. 15 subsection 1, 15 subsection 2, 15 subsection 3. Let's start with 15 subsection 1, already covered. Transaction value. It refers to the price paid or payable for the supply of goods or services or both. It means whatever the supplier is charging in the bill for that product or services, that is called transaction value, where the parties, supplier and recipient, are not related and price is the sole consideration. You are entering the transaction only to earn income and the parties shall not be related. What if they are related? Will be covered in final level. 15 subsection 2, inclusions to transaction value. Inclusions to transaction value. 15 subsection 2. Usme if you see, there are 5 trees: A, B, C, D and E. 15 subsection 2. A says inclusions. Include बोलते add. Include बोलते add करना. Inclusions. Add all the taxes. Add to what? TV. TV बोलते television नहीं. Transaction value. Add all the taxes other than GST. Other than GST. बोल तो can I conclude like this? If the tax is GST, don't add, because we are calculating value for GST only. Other than GST, we will add. We will add. Other than can be municipal tax, excise duty, entertainment tax, this tax, that tax, octroi, whatever nonsense. Octroi to nahi hai abhi. Something. If it's GST, we don't add. Other than GST, we add. That is given under 15 subsection 2 clause A. Read from your notebook now. Quick. Check how is it given. Check how is it given. Listen now. See here. Any taxes, duties, cess, fees, charge levied under any law for the time being in force other than GST. Note 1. Go to note 1. Next page. Note 1. Taxes GST means all types of GST. It can be SGST, CGST, IGST, UTGST. Not to be added in transaction value other than GST, municipal tax, exam, to be added to transaction value. Am I clear with this? Chupchap sunte jao. When we do the problems, it will be more clear when you do practical application of these points. Clear? Clear? Next. 15D, 15C I am covering. C. Incidental expenses. C I am covering. Incidental expenses charged by supplier. Incidental expenses charged by the supplier will also be added. Incidental expenses charged by the supplier. First of all, ये बात समझो. Who is giving the bill? Bill is given by supplier to recipient. So who will, for this chapter applies to whom? Supplier. When he gives the bill, he will add all something, and we are learning on what value will he add GST. This is incidental expenses charged by supplier. Can you give me few examples, sir? Yes, sir. Come to next page. These are the example. Mark as important. You have to remember these examples. Packing charges, primary packing or protective packing. You went to a shop, you are buying something. Let's assume you're buying a gift in Archie's. Gift to be given to a special friend, and you're asking him to pack. Further, he's charging extra. He said 100 rupees for gift, 10 rupees for the packing. Total 110. Now the question is, should he add GST on 100 or 110? He will add on 110 because it says packing also will be included, on that total GST will be calculated. Next, engineering and design charges, testing charges, inspection charges, dharmada, charity, loading, unloading, weighment dues, consultancy, transportation, warranty, installation, insurance, salesman, all expenses before delivery. All this will be added to the bill if you have incurred the bill, if you have incurred these expenses. Who will incur all this? Supplier will incur. If he is incurred, he will add all to the bill, and on the total he will calculate the GST. Check करो please this one. Important है ये, very important. ये examples याद रखना है आपको एग्जाम के लिए. चलो read once, quick. Read once. Check. चलो 1 second, let us repeat. 15(1) में I'll take 100, whatever I charge in the bill. 15(2) में these 5 items shall be added. First one, taxes other than GST I will add. C1, all expenses what I am incurring before selling the product or before giving the services I'll add, and examples are given there. Okay, now let us read from the notebook. This one, C. A is completed, no sir. Now I'm reading C. Incidental expenses including commission, packing, charged by the supplier to the recipient of supply, and any amount charged for anything done. He is telling me to give extended warranty, he is giving me to give something else. Whatever he is asking, I am doing, and I'll charge to the bill. On the total GST will be calculated. On the total GST will be calculated. Anything done. by the supplier in respect of supply goods or services both at the time of or before delivery of goods or services or both. ये एग्जाम्पल याद रखना है आपको, याद रखो, दिस एग्जाम्पल यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. चलो once again, what does A says? We will add all taxes other than GST. C says we'll add incidental expenses charged by supplier. E says we will add all subsidies. We will add all subsidies received from anyone other than garment. Other than garment. इसका मतलब है अपना, if you receive subsidy from government, it can be state government or central government or other than government. If you receive subsidy from other than government, we will add to the transaction value. We will add to transaction value, and if you receive from government, it is ICI assumption, we will deduct from transaction value. We will deduct from transaction value. We will deduct from transaction value. Remember this. Chalo, once again. 15A says we add all taxes other than GST. 15C says all incidental expenses shall be added to the bill, and on that GST will be calculated. E says if you are receiving any subsidy other than government, will add, government we will deduct. Okay, now let us read what is given in the notes. E. Subsidies directly linked to the price excluding subsidies provided by government, state government or central government. Note 2. Note 2, next page. Era. Subsidy by government, deduct, other than government, add. That's what I read you. Government deduct, other than government we add to the transaction value. Clear यहाँ तक? You can copy till here. Please copy till here. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट. कम टू पॉइंट नंबर डी. डी now listen. डी क्या बोलता? I gave my goods on 100 to the customer on credit, 1 month credit. Assuming I gave goods to my customer for 1 month, 100 rupees, and I told if you don't pay within 1 month, you have to pay 5 rupees extra. 105 you have to pay. He said okay. He did not pay that 100 within 1 month, so I have the right to collect 100 plus 5, 105. Am I clear? Now listen. अब सुनो सर, डी क्या बोलता? You sold goods for 100. On that you added 18, 118. You gave the bill of 118, and you told you have to pay within 1 month. Else you have to pay 5 rupees extra. He did not pay within 1 month, so he is paying 5 rupees extra. Now government says ask him to pay 5 kada. So government says, Ray supplier, are you getting extra income? Yes, we also want income. You earn, I earn. So ask your customer to pay 5. On that GST also he has to pay. Because आप भी कमा रहे तो हम भी कमाना. You earn, I earn. You earn, we earn. So if you are collecting 5 rupees extra later on, ask him to pay, collect or give a bill of 5 plus GST and ask him to pay this 5 along with GST. That is covered under point number D for Delhi. क्या है चेक करो, सुनो. Interest or late fees or penalty. Interest or late fees or penalty for delayed payment of any consideration for any supply, and provided it is not waived by supplier. What may provide not waived by supplier? 1 month ho gaya, he's supposed to pay extra 5 rupees. I told him, he told, sir, COVID hai, corona hai, I'm not able to pay, that's the reason delay ho gaya. I'm telling, don't pay extra 5. You pay this amount, it's okay for me. So when government says, when you're not collecting extra 5, there is no point of collecting GST on that 5 also. You collect GST only if you're collecting the extra 5 rupees. If you're not collecting extra 5, no question of collecting GST when you're not collecting extra 5 rupees. That's the meaning of this. That's the meaning of this. Clear? Chalo suno sir, वापिस, let us start. Section 15 subsection 1 says, आप जो भी बिल में ऐड करें उसको ट्रांजैक्शन वैल्यू बोलते. वॉट एवर यू आर एडिंग इन द बिल फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विसेज, वॉट एवर यू चार्ज इन द बिल फॉर ऑडिट फीस, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजैक्शन प्रोवाइडेड the parties are not related and price sole consideration. We add 4 items as of now. Taxes other than GST, all incidental expenses which are incurred by the supplier, any interest, any extra amount you're collecting later on, that amount also will be taken and on the GST also will be added, and any subsidy other than government shall be added. Just read once before we go to B for ball. Chalo jaldi. पढ़ लिए सर? Did you read? Yeah, did you read? Next, 15 subsection 2 clause B. 15 subsection 2 clause B. Any amount the supplier is liable to pay in relation to such supply, but which has been incurred by the recipient of the supply and not included in the price actually paid or payable for goods or services or both. That is, any amount paid by recipient to third party on the instruction of supplier. अब सुनो, इसका मतलब होता, listen, I am adding in the bill installation. Now I'll tell, I'll not add installation. My friend will come and install at your house. Bajaj Electronic is telling to Ronak the customer, my friend will come, will install in your house and pay to him directly 4,000. Will customer pay? Yes. On whose instruction? Bajaj Electronic Construction. To whom? To the friend. Who is a third party? Yes. That also will be considered. That is called, that is called any amount paid by recipient Raunak to third party friend on the instructions of supplier Bajaj Electronics told me to make the payment, I make the payment. That also will be considered in the transaction value. That will be considered to determine the value of supply. That also will be considered to determine the value of supply. Clear? अब सुनो सर, यहाँ तक स्टोरी क्लियर? यहाँ तक क्लियर? चलो, सो ये क्या था? एनी इंटरेस्ट लेट पेमेंट था ये, एंड बी क्या था? पेमेंट टू थर्ड पार्टी था. बी क्या था? पेमेंट टू थर्ड पार्टी ऑन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, on the instructions of supplier. This completes 15.2 in a very layman terms. I'll give you 1 minute or 2 minutes, just copy this as running notes. Even though you have everything in the notes also, this is like running notes. ठीक है, shall we continue? Now only one thing you have to remember. If the question says discount given in the problem, what is given? Question says there is a discount, it will be deducted. At the end I'll tell you the two types of discount. One is called pre-supply discount, one is called post supply discount. What is that? At the end of the session I'll tell you, but एक rule याद रख लो अभी. If discount is given in the problem, it will be deducted from the transaction value. It will be deducted from the transaction value. Clear? यहाँ तक clear? Now listen. So now GST calculation, value excluding GST, if it's excluding GST, into GST rate by 100, or GST calculation if the value is given including GST in the problem, it's including GST, into GST rate. All this you must be knowing in your foundation level. 100 plus GST, ये मालूम रहना चाहिए आपको. What happens? How to calculate GST if it's including GST or excluding GST? Including है तो 100 plus GST rate. Now let us do the problem. One example I'll explain. Be careful. वो example से पूरा concept समझाता हूँ मैं. Be careful. One example I'll explain, and I want you to copy that example, and with that example we'll start the problem. Listen now. Bajaj Electronics supplier sold the nothing but supply kara to Raunak the customer. This is example 1. 2 examples I'll take. 2 examples I'll take. The example 1. Sold to Raunak the customer. Transaction value 1 lakh. transaction value 1 lakh. Other information. Other information. Packing charges 1000. Warranty charges 4000. Installation charges 3000. Subsidy from government 2000. Clear? He will ask find VOS, value of supply, and GST when the GST rate is 18%. He'll ask in the question, find out the value of supply and GST as GST rate is 18%. Solution. What is transaction value? First, our base will be transaction value 1 lakh. We will add all the inclusions. One second. Now do one thing. I guess I make a change here. We'll see that later on. What does ICA study material gives, I'll tell you. यहाँ लिखना करके don't add बोल के लिख दो बस. Later on I'll tell you what you have to do. Don't add here in your notes. Subsidy from government don't add. Other than government we add to transaction. Don't add. Okay. Now listen. Listen now. Now. Inclusions. Number 1. Can I add packing charges for under inclusions point? Did we cover this? Yes. Packing. How much? 1000. Can I add warranty charges? Yes. 4000. Can I add installation charges? Yes. 3000. Can I add subsidy from government? No, you should add subsidy other than government. This government I will not add. Hyphen. Total. Karo. Calculator lo. 1,08,000. This is called value of supply. GST rate is 18%. Please multiply, you will get the GST value. A into B. GST value multiply karo A into B. Quick. I am doing the calculator. One second, I am doing the calculator. एक कहाँ गया रे calculator? 108 into 0.8, 19,440. This is one first example. This problem is called exclusive problem. This problem is called exclusive problem. Okay. Why is it called exclusive? I'll tell you everything. यहाँ तक कॉपी करो पहले. First we take transaction value, will include inclusions. 15(1) में all taxes other than GST. Number 2, any payment made by the recipient to third party on the behalf of instruction supplier. Number 3, we'll add all those incidental expenses. Around 15 examples we have. All you have to remember. 15(4), any interest fees paid if I am collecting because do not make the payment on time, provided I am asking him to pay. If I tell him don't pay, I will not add. And next one, subsidies other than government I will add. Government ka subsidies I will not add. That is inclusions. Copy till here. Then I will do exclusive problem, example 2, then we start the problems. एक problem पक्का पूछता है एग्जाम में, वापिस बोल रहा हूँ मैं. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है स्टार्टिंग में, बट आई विल मेक इट इजी. So जल्दी कॉपी करो सर. We have to do lot of problems today. ठीक है, कर लिए कॉपी. चलो now listen. I'll do the same example in other way around. थोड़ा opposite करेंगे same example को. एग्जाम में ऐसा भी देता हूँ. Example 2. This example will be called as inclusion problem. This example will be called inclusion problem. Inclusion. अब ऐसा देता हूँ. Transaction value 1,10,000. It includes, that 1,10,000 includes packing charges of 1,000, installation of 3,000, warranty of 4,000, subsidy from government 2,000. Again, find out the value of supply. What is transaction value? 1,10,000. Sir, this is inclusive problem. Start. Packing charges 1,000. What should we do? We should add. But he already added, because he said it includes. वो तो ये 110 में 1,000 already included. समझ में आ रहा? Once again, let us start. Technically we should add 1,000, but this 1,000 is already included. I will ignore this item. Why will I ignore? Because already added हो गया. मैं कुछ गलत. I should add, but he already added, so I should do nothing. Installation 3,000 I should add. He already added. I should do nothing. Warranty I should add. He already added. I should do nothing. Subsidy I should not have added, because subsidy other than government I should add, but government subsidy I should not add, but I added. This I will deduct now, because you should not have added 2,000, but you added by mistake. So now I will deduct now. That is called less subsidy from government. Gives you 2,000. So whether question gives as example one way or two way, your answer will not change. Value of supply will be 1,08,000 only. So एक चार्ट बना के देता हूं सर, सुन लो. If it is an exclusive problem, inclusions क्या करना, exclusions क्या करना. if it is inclusive problem. If it is exclusive problem, that is example 1. Inclusive problem, example 2. If it is exclusive problem, all the inclusions what we have under 15(2), I will add. Exclusions, I will ignore. Don't do anything. Next, if it is inclusive problem, example 2, all the inclusions are already added, I will ignore. And exclusions I will deduct because wrongly they have added. But note is clear. In any case, discount shall be deducted. In any case, whether it is an exclusive problem or inclusive problem, whether it is EP or IP, discount shall be deducted. So once again, if it's an exclusive problem, the example 1 is called exclusive problem. All inclusions I will add, exclusions I will ignore. If it is inclusive problem, बोलते already included है, तो inclusions वापस add क्यों करते? Because already included. वो ignore कर दो और कोई exclusions है, we will deduct because that's wrongly added. Here, I should technically add 1000, but he already added. Why should I add once again? 3000 I should add, but he already added. Why should I add once again? 4000 I should add, but he already added. Why should I add once again? 2000 I should not have added, but he added. అందుకే I'm deducting. ये summary याद रख लो. You will get 8 out of 8 when I start the problems. चलो, start doing this. Copy this. We'll start the problems, please. And one problem can have both inclusive as well as exclusive, so we have to be careful. जल्दी करो sir, we have to do lot of problems. प्लीज जल्दी करो सर. Sir, example 1, example 2, answer is same, but the method of doing is different. Example 1 was an exclusive problem because he gave out the other information. Example 2, he gave it includes. So you have to be careful whether this problem is given or this problem, and based on this, this is the adjustments we have to do. Shall we start? Okay, everyone. Question 1, page 99 of your module. Question 1, page 99 of the module. ठीक है? Let's start. Here. चल. Question 1, page 99. Be careful. In all, we'll do around 9-10 problems on how to calculate value of supply. ये practice करके चल जाओ enough for your exam. Computation of value of supply from the following information determine the value of supply as per the provision of section 15. Contracted value A. I'm just saying A, 11 lakhs. That is nothing but transaction value. It includes the following. बोलतो this is inclusive problem. It includes the following. बोलतो these three items are already included in 11 lakhs. Correct? अब क्या करना देखो. Inclusive problem है. If the inclusions are given, we will ignore, and exclusions are given, we will deduct. Cost of primary packing, it's an inclusive point, we should add, but he already added, we will ignore. Why we will ignore? Technically we should add, but he already added. Protective packing, we should add, but he already added. Ignore. Design engineering charges, I covered few examples 11 12, उसमें सब आता. I should add, but he already added. Ignore. कहीं क्यों ignore? Because आप already add कर दिए सर, वापस double add क्यों करना है? Next, other information, बोल तो these are exclusive point now. First three was inclusive points, now exclusive points. Exclusive में क्या करना देखो अब. Inclusions I will add, exclusions I will ignore. Commission paid to agent by recipient on instructions of supplier. ये 15B subsection 15(2) subsection B में आता. It's an inclusive. We will add. And freight charges paid by recipient on behalf of supplier. ये भी 15 subsection 2B में आता. That example where Bajaj Electronic will send his brother and customer till the customer directly pay to that brother. Installation charges वो है, ये भी add. Why we are adding these two? Because these two are exclusive points and we will add all the inclusions, and the inclusions are covered in 15(2) A, B, C, D, E. उसमें points है. So what is the answer now? 11 lakhs. ये तीनों ignore करो. Plus 5,000 plus 75 gives you 15 lakh, gives you 11 lakh 80,000. Gives you 11 lakhs 80,000. Clear? सुनो कितना है? 11 lakh 80,000. This is called value of supply. Value of supply. Correct? Do not do anything because answers are given. Just discuss with me. अब यहाँ देखो. This is including GST at the rate of 18%. बोलते इसमें GST already है, तो GST कैसा निकालते हैं आप? If it's already included, 11 lakh 80 into GST rate 18 by 100 plus 18. अभी तो बताया था मैं. Gives you 1 lakh 80,000. So what is value of supply excluding GST? 11 lakh 80 minus 1 lakh 80 gives you 10 lakhs. Gives you 10 lakhs. ये बात समझ में आई. This is including GST, sir. Question में दिया. I am not assuming anything. Question is only telling. Clear. वापिस I'll repeat. If it is an exclusive problem, we will add all the inclusions, we will ignore the exclusions. If it is an inclusive problem, we will ignore all the inclusions and we will deduct all the exclusions. Why we are ignoring the inclusions? Because it's already added. Why we are adding? Because those are not included, those are excluded. ये लॉजिक लगाओ सर, ये चार्ट समझना जरूरी है to do this kind of problems, else it becomes very difficult. Now check karo on page number 67, you will find the first answer. ये वाला answer is 10 lakhs. Please take a pen and pencil with me, with yourself. Whenever I am writing something on the screen or something on the material, you have to also copy as it is. If you want to copy something, you can copy. Okay. Then this is the answer. You not copy this. This already given. Why will you copy once again? ये 18 है sir. 8 नहीं 18. So this completes question 1. ठीक है.